Looks like my old truck needs some weather stripping. Yep, well, the old weather stripping's letting the water in. It's all deformed. So we'll just take this garbage off. I mean, look at this. That's not sealing anything. Hey, we got a brand new box. Got 30mm high, so there's plenty of cushion, plenty of sealing capability. The whole roll of it, I think that's 13 feet of it. Direct from China. $27. Remove the light. The cord gets in the way. Determine where we'll start. We'll start here in the back, because the wind is blowing this way, and that's the least likely place for water to get through. The old stuff, get rid of it. Take the new stuff out. Unroll it. You got to make sure this goes on the right way. And come on, autofocus, please. There we go. See how there's a piece of aluminum in there. And that squeezes down on this flange. See how thin that is? That goes on. Just like that there. And the door comes in. See if I get that. Door comes in, squashes that flat and seals it. And I want to put on with a professional weather strip installer. Nice soft mallet. Be nice to it. This is what we're going to do all the way around. Nice new gasket. Cover up that sharp edge with a piece of rubber. Take them from the inside. Seals all the way around the door. See, yeah. Of course, we might get through there. Nice new seal on the door. Dab of shoe glue. Put it on there. Really don't want to get hurt. Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.